Are you interested in a job as a team leader in maintenance at Amazon? Come with me and I'll show you what working for us looks like. We keep the building running because we are responsible for the maintenance and repair of all conveyor and building service systems in the logistics centre. If there is an error message somewhere in the building, we are there so that it doesn't come to a standstill. I take over the technical management of my team and am therefore a role model and mentor in one. I motivate my team, distribute tasks, conduct training and evaluate the performance of our systems. Every day is a challenge because nothing works here without us. What I like best is that the tasks are always varied and that we live day one every day. During the shift, it happens from time to time that we have to eliminate disruptions so that things don't come to a standstill and the packages go out on time. In any situation, safety is our top priority. In the event of a disruption, it is my job to maintain an overview and coordinate the team. What do you need to bring with you to become a team leader in maintenance at Amazon? Technical training and further training to become a master craftsman or state check technician. Good communication skills in German and English. Leadership experience to keep a cool head in stressful situations. Do you want to be part of the maintenance department? Then apply online at amazon.jobs. We're looking forward to your application. It's always day one.